here at the Photonics 21 annual meeting. I'm here with Peter Seitz. Many of you know Peter Seitz from the Hamamatsu time, from the infrared, for many, many technologies. Peter Seitz, what's your main takeaway for this annual meeting this year?
I think I have three takeaways. The first one is a very gratifying news that European photonics is doing well. So over the past years, we have grown 3 times at the speed of industry globally. Very good. Second message, not so surprising, not so good. We are losing ground to the Chinese. Yeah. Nobody is surprised. But the interesting thing is we don't lose ground evenly. So we are very good in med tech, in instrument, in science, very good in production equipment, but in consumer, we are terrible. Now, my personal feeling is it has to do with cultures. And my recommendation, and that's my second take-home message, we better understand why this is the case. Because we understand, we can exploit, and then we can improve. My third take-home message is we should think harder. We've discussed very complex topics, science, politics, society, and I fear that we're doing too much oversimplification. Let me make an example. So the saying could be, photonics should become smaller, integrated, so at the end you have one chip, a PIC, photonic integrated circuit. Therefore, photonics is like microelectronics, so let's treat them the same way. This completely ignores that photonics is not identical to microelectronics. We have 3 dimensions to work with. We have many more materials. We have many more design choices. So you can do many things in a larger variety of ways. And by the way, the many people we've seen today reflects the more than 4,000 members Photonics 21 has. Yeah. So large variety, it is different. Let me make a very stupid example. If we had the most advanced CMOS process, would we want to use it for photovoltaic cell production? We could do it, but it would be stupid. So my point is, we should understand better what is the nature of photonics. Where is it similar to microelectronics? Where is it different, so that we can really harness the full power of photonics?
You gave one of the most exciting presentations about the current geopolitical situation between China, Europe, and the US. It was very clear here that we have a communication problem between the photonic industry and the policymakers, the public figures, and the end users. Is there anything we can do about it?
Yes, I'm all with you, Jose. We have a communication problem. And what I would do is what I try to do in every communication problem. 3 things. First, listen better. Second thing, explain sympathetically. Yeah. Third thing is think harder together. Let me explain these 3 points. So the first one is, hey, science is not politics. And therefore, we should develop a joint understanding of the problems, challenges, and opportunities the other has. We need to do that jointly, honestly, and respectfully. There is no much use in a scientist explaining to a politician, you don't understand Maxwell's equations, so you won't understand photonics. On the other hand, a politician could say, hey, we've got so many member states, we need them all on board. This is not rocket science. This is harder than rocket science, and both are right. So we need to develop a common understanding. That's where my second demand is coming in. Explain sympathetically. Try to talk the other's language, because, it's different worlds. Try to come to a common understanding. And then, once you've understood what should be accomplished, how should success be measured, what are the obstacles, then you can do the third thing, namely think together. What is so good about European culture, European photonics? And if you know that, you can improve it, and then both sides profit, our society profits, and this is what Horizon Europe is all about.
Exactly. So we do this communication the way that you want it. We all work together to communicate better. What's your preferred future? What do you think we can achieve?
Okay, I hope we will be more modest in the future, more honest, more respectful. Try to understand better, create more insight. What is it being European? What is the difference to Chinese culture, American culture? And if we understand better, we can exploit better. Interesting thing for you. The Swiss Parliament, they had a question to the State Secretariat for Education, Research and Innovation. And I said, could you explain quantum computing to us in 10 minutes? And they said, oh well, Peter could do it. I thought a long time because I love giving lectures, as you know. I came back and said, no, I can't do it. But give me 30 minutes. I can explain quantum mechanics, quantum chemistry, quantum sensing, quantum key distribution, quantum communication, and quantum computing. And now I'm touring Europe with my talk on exactly that. So it can be done, but it's not obvious. So it takes an effort. That's my own
Can
point.
you explain it?
It takes an effort.
For a non-expert, in 30 minutes you can go through from quantum mechanics to quantum optics?
Yes, I
can. Wow. Oh my God, I had no idea.
It took quite an effort to do
It would
so.
be very, very hard. I mean, just go all the way to quantum transport for me. That would be really difficult. Wow, I'm impressed. I would like to listen to that lecture.
Actually, on the 28th of May, there will be a professional TV crew who will make a recording, and then it will be openly available. Hamamatsu is taking care of it.
Thank you very much, Peter Seitz. It's an honor to have you with me. This has been the last interview of the Photonics 21 Annual Meeting 2024. Stay tuned, because many of us are going to the Global Photonics Economic Forum in Malaga 1st and 2nd of October. The discussion just started. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.